So I picked up this mystery bin of toys at Goodwill this last weekend. It has these Littlest pet shop structures on the top, and that's about all that I can see. But I'm really hoping that there's the animals for the Littlest pet shop in here because those are worth a lot of money. Thanks so much for joining me today. My name is Heather and I'm an online reseller, and this over here is my daughter Carolyn, and she's going to be helping me today. We've got a towel spread out on the floor so that we can put some of these toys on it because some of them do look a little bit dirty. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump in and see what's in this. I've actually got to pull all of this tape off. They were super nice and completely covered this entire bin with tape. So we're gonna get it all pulled off, and maybe we'll speed it up and put some music so you don't have to listen to all that noise. Okay, so we have all of the tape off now. I was originally drawn to this box because I saw these Littlest pet shop figures up on the top. But unfortunately, when you have all of the tape up there, that's all you can see is what's on the very top. So we did try and turn the bin upside down, and we're able to have a few things come forward. So we know that there's at least like a little pet bed that goes with the Littlest pet shop in here. So hopefully there's more accessories, and really we're crossing our fingers for some animals. And we did see like this toothbrush holder, which is pretty exciting. And so surely there's probably some junk in here, but hopefully it's not all junk. It was $7.99, so not a super ton. And we did end up getting a discount when we went up to the register because I had hit my points. So if you spend $100, you get like $5 off your next purchase or something. So that did cover a lot of the price of this in the event that it is totally junk. But I guess we'll find out, and we're gonna go ahead and see what's in here. So I noticed when we got home, oh, well, the lights are working, that this little stage, it has lights, I don't know if you can see that, which are working, which is a good sign, actually had a price tag on it. So I don't know if this is stuff that they tried to sell. It does say 69 cents, which we were talking about it before, and 69 cents I think might be the cheapest like tag I've ever seen at a Goodwill, because most of the tags, even for small toys, they'll price it like $1.99 or $2.99. And this is kind of dirty, so it's definitely gonna need cleaned. So some of these Littlest pet shop structures can be okay if you put accessories with them and some of the animals, but by themselves they really don't sell for a whole lot, especially because they're so big and the shipping is high because of that. So this is the biggest Littlest pet shop, which is now kind of covered in tape residue. I mean, it's kind of dirty, but the sticker is still, well, maybe the stickers in some spots don't look as hot. But overall, it's not terrible. It is missing the door that's supposed to be right up here. And so then this little bus we could see too, and it's just really gross and covered in paint. It does look like it's Peppa Pig.
Oh, I thought maybe a crayon melted on it.
Maybe. It's Peppa Pig, and Peppa Pig stuff can do well, but it would be a lot of work to get all of this paint or crayon, whatever it is, off of it. So that's probably just going to, I don't even, probably maybe even just go in the garbage. But that's why we have a towel, because some of this stuff is just kind of dirty. So now we've got a couple of little Cinderellas, which unfortunately I'm sure are worth nothing. Then of course we've got our lovely soap, no, it's not a soap dispenser. Our lovely toothbrush holder, which will also be going to Goodwill again. We've got another stage. This is the orange one. We'll see. Are the lights working on this one?
It looks like it just came as a package because it's got like the wires that connect it to the cardboard.
Yeah, the little twisties. So again, this one's good that the lights are working on it. Okay, so then we've got another structure that we could also see from the top. This is the Littlest Pet Love and Playhouse, I believe is what this is called. Looks like this piece has popped off, but it should pop into place without having any problems. I don't think it's actually broken. Again, it's just a little bit dirty, but the stickers look okay. Generally with this kind of stuff, it's the stickers that will make or break how much value you're gonna get out of it. But again, we're running into this same problem of not having a door. And so selling these online is probably not going to be a possibility because of that. Because usually when they're missing pieces, there's just enough of them on eBay that somebody's gonna go and buy the one that has the piece that they want and not even worry about paying for the one that you have. All right, so I've got this little tunnel thing, which I don't, from my experience, believe that this is Littlest Pet Shop. I'm not sure what this might be. I mean, it looks like a toy because it's got this star on it. But yeah, I'm fairly certain it's not Littlest Pet Shop.
Yeah, I don't think they have like a shade of purple.
Ooh, and we were wanting some surprises. We just got some. Got some party favor surprises. It looks like they're little like springy pop-up spiders.
Yeah.
So that is definitely exciting. I mean, I'm sure this is worth like $1,000, right?
Yeah.
Also probably going back to Goodwill. Ooh, we've got some lovely artwork. We actually went to a garage sale like, last week?
Yeah.
And there was this little table with these little girls sitting at it, and their parents had set it all up. They had all of their artwork all laid across it, and they were selling it. It was really cute. We didn't buy any, but I still thought it was really cute. It almost looks like Fancy Nancy. So this is just an accessory.
The people with the button eyes. I think it's from that.
Oh, maybe La La Loopsy.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
It might be one of those. We've got this strange plush cat piece of bread, dog piece of bread. I don't even know what this is.
Oh, it's one of those squishy.
It's like squishy
memory foam things.
I don't know what that is. Maybe it's meant to be a dog toy or something.
No, it's a fidget. I think they're called fidgets, but
this is going well. We've got some more artwork. Oop, and another one. Got some clouds and some blue clouds. We've got some wood beads. Let me tell you guys, this is going really well. We've got a little bed with no markings on it. I don't know. It does have a little blanket in there, so that's nice. But what toy this goes with, I have no idea. All right, so this is Littlest Pet Shop. It is a little bit one of the newer versions of the toys. And then it looks like, I'm guessing this is a Loving Family for Fisher Price. But it says Little People on it, so maybe not. Maybe it's the chunky Little People. I don't think I've ever seen one like this before. It looks more like Loving Family to me, the way that the size is on this. But most of this kind of stuff for Fisher Price can be worth something. I bet you that's probably worth at least, I don't know, $10. We've got this little guy. Anybody recognize this? I have no idea what to even say about that. He's got a banana on his head and he's
a monkey
drooling a lot. Hey, this is Build-A-Bear. If the rest of the outfit was in here, Build-A-Bear clothes can do well sometimes. Got a little teeter-totter, a bowl, another bowl. I mean, so there are some accessories in here, but I so far do not see any animals. This again has a price tag on it. This one's $1.99. And I'm not sure what this is. It has little paw prints on it. And it's Hasbro 2010. Got a little chair.
It's missing its front legs.
It is missing its front legs. Score. Got a Shopkins, which my daughter really likes, so that might be hers. Some more wooden beads. A Shopkins container. What are these called?
Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube with stars.
I'm pretty sure those are the ones at Dollar Store.
Feels pretty high quality. Greenbrier International. Ooh, we've got another.
It's
another squishy
burger.
one. This one's a kitty hamburger.
Kitty burger. You want to see that?
And another squishy. This one's a keychain with an owl. Some more artwork.
I think
this
the
is
same way
just
as the other one.
Not going well. So this is like a little coin purse. It's kind of cute. I, again, don't think that this is probably worth much. I don't see any kind of brand on it.
The Pascal for Disney.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Yep. And there's no brand on there that I can see. We've got this little, it's got a band on it, almost like it's meant to be like a backpack.
Oh,
but it has a coin.
Not a guinea pig, but
it has a coin, a drop. Yeah, like for a piggy bank and a base to it. So I guess you're wearing your piggy bank on your back?
You're going shopping and then like...
Yeah, who needs a purse? You just put your, your piggy bank on your back. But it's missing the bottom. Got a little drawer. This is like that paper stuff, like you'd find the little paper boxes at like Michael's. Ooh, a notebook.
Someone's drawn anime in there.
Yeah, and
2018.
It also has their name. It says for my sister / enemy. I'm not mad at you. As a matter of fact, I'm happy for you. She's not me and she'll never be. Never be. Does she love you like I do? Does she have my name? However she tries to act like she'll never be the same, but she's cool and beautiful. You never been bin in a fight. Oh yeah, it's awfully OFILY. Perfect. No, but you just know deep inside. Does she go to the movies? Do you talk at the park? Do you stay up for hours? You talk and talk, or is it none of my business? Wow, this is for her sister apparently.
They must have had a great relationship.
But the funny thing is it's written in really good handwriting, so I don't think that they were like 5.
But the spelling
is pretty rough. Funny. Just be careful what you are dropping off at Goodwill, because you never know if it's going to end up on a YouTube video at some point, and people will be wondering what in the world you were doing.
But I mean, like, the drawings don't say 5-year-old in there, so...
So we've got this cute little sparkle mini from Disney, and she seems to be in really good condition. I mean, this might be worth $7 or $8 is my guess. Ooh, we've got some more chairs, and we've got the leg to the other chair.
That's fine.
But again, I'm not sure. There's a lot of toy accessories that can go for decent money, but of course you have to know what they came from. Got a pen.
It was made in China.
Ooh.
That's a great lead.
We've got a bathtub. It does say Hasbro on it. 2016. Anybody recognize that? It is not Littlest Pet Shop. This might be a newer version of Littlest Pet Shop. I have sold a lot of Littlest Pet Shop, but it's mostly been the older stuff, not the newer lines. This is Littlest Pet Shop. We've got a Barbie blender. Ooh, and it actually spins. Can you see that? That's exciting. I don't know. Maybe that's worth something. 2010. Got some cute little tables. You know, if these were Loving Family, especially the old Loving Family, I don't think they are. But like I said, some of those accessories can do really well just for one piece. but maybe Google Images will be able to show us more. So this looks like another La La Loopsy. Yeah, I bet that these go together.
Yeah.
Maybe there will be people in here. So unfortunately, my camera just ran out of battery, and so I had to go and charge it. We did go through the rest of this tote though, and unfortunately there really isn't anything super crazy. There are some little groupings of things that I can put together that I probably can make maybe $30 on, but there's just a lot of little junk toys in here, which is pretty standard for a mystery box at Goodwill. You just never know what you're gonna get. Sometimes you can get amazing stuff, and sometimes it can just be duds. But I've had pretty low risk into it, so it was still kind of a fun little adventure to go through it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the little things that were in here. So this is all the stuff that we ended up pulling out in the end. So there was some of this little La La Loopsy set right there that I might be able to put together. There was those Littlest Pet Shop stages that I can probably put with some other Littlest Pet Shop toys that I just picked up at a garage sale last week. There were more of the Littlest Pet Shop accessories down here, but a lot of them are the newer version, and those usually are not worth as much. But I probably can lot this stuff together and probably still at least get, I don't know, at least $10, I would say. There's this food that I need to look up still, but it might be the Our Generation dolls or American Girl. There's more of these little strange animals, which could be something. I'll look them up and pop it up if they are. Then there's just a lot of random little girl toys that may or may not be worth something. And then we've got some Shopkins, which again, I probably could group together and get a little bit of something for. There were some more of these little pieces of art, which I'm sure you're all excited to hear about. We did come across another notebook, but it didn't have anything exciting like the first one. There wasn't any good stories in there. And then we just have some leftover junk. I mean, like, you want some pacifiers that have been cut off? Pretty good fun stuff, right? I don't know why they even got donated to Goodwill. I don't know if they put this box together or if this is how it came and somebody just dropped it off. But yeah, you just never know what you're gonna find. Well, thanks so much for watching. I have found some really great stuff at Goodwill lately in bags, and I think I'm gonna do a video about that next week because I've made some pretty good money on the bag toys at Goodwill. So be sure to watch for those, and I will see you in the next one.